Welcome. Here, I would like to present to you this print-on-demand course powered by AI. The course is the ChatGPT and Midjourney and AI print-on-demand masterclass. And in this course, you're going to learn everything you need to know regarding print-on-demand. First of all, what exactly is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand is you create a design. The design goes on top of a t-shirt or on top of a hoodie or on top of leggings or on top of a specific garment. Okay, in textile, we call them garments. Anything we wear is a garment. Okay, so that's a technical appellation, by the way, but the bottom line is you create a design. It's specific to a specific application, even phone cases. They have designs attached to them, tablets, computers, laptops, and for all different applications. And basically, now with the rise and the advent of ChatGPT, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and all of these tools, you can now create designs, and you can actually, the good thing is you can sell them, right? You can monetize your designs. You can monetize. We're no better period to monetize our designs than this period, since ChatGPT is for free for the most part for users to use. ChatGPT 4.0 is a great version inside of ChatGPT. It allows you to generate images and so on and so forth, and it's very accurate. Midjourney as well can be incredibly useful to generate images. Leonardo AI, another software that I'm going to introduce you to, can generate images. There is plenty more software such as Microsoft Copilot, which is also, I'm going to introduce you to it. It can generate images. Gemini AI can also generate images, but I think Gemini AI can only generate images in its advanced version. But we're only going to focus on just showcasing these tools to you, and you can decide whether or not you want to work with a tool and not the other. So basically here, what I would like to do is to present to you what to expect from this particular course. So let's get right into it. So here, this is a presentation. The design that you're looking at here, Zero Waste Warrior, is a design that I created using the combination of not DAL-E. I used in this application Leonardo AI, as well as Canva, to put that word or that text in there that says Zero Waste Warrior, right? So this is in a niche. I worked on a niche of eco and sustainability and world, the caring about the world and about nature and about the sustainability of the planet. All right, and these are really good, and it's a hot niche right now that you can probably focus on after you learn what you're going to learn in this course, because you're really going to learn a lot, right? If you have the potential to watch and to really have patience, you're going to learn a lot. Here, have a look at this t-shirt. It's a dragon. The dragon was designed also using Leonardo. You can see right there, it's a video. We created that particular mock-up. I'm going to showcase to you how you can create those mock-ups as well. And here we have this particular other design, which is a vintage design of a car in the middle of nowhere. And you can see here another design here of a lion with the word over there with a phrase. And these are the designs before I placed them on top of those garments as a mock-up. These are the pure designs in their original format. And you can see how each one of them looks like. Now, print on demand is really good. It has been doing good for so long. Before we dive any deeper, I would like to explain to you the process about print on demand. How does it actually work? And for that, I want you to focus with me for a second. You don't need to take care of shipping the product. You don't need to take care of customer refunds. You don't need to take care of anything. You just create a design. There's marketplaces that I'm going to introduce you to in a minute. These marketplaces, you can place your designs in those marketplaces. And if people buy your designs, these marketplaces, they take care of basically sending your designs to, or sending these products, delivering the product to people, depending on what they choose. Whether they choose an XL size or whether they choose a white t-shirt variation instead of a black t-shirt variation. We're going to see more of that in detail. And also, there is another alternative to placing your designs on top of other platforms. You can actually create your own store. When you create your own store, it's a bit different because you're going to have to handle a couple of things, but there are other companies that can handle everything for you as well. For example, if you create a store using WordPress for print on demand, what happens is that there are companies that can actually take care of everything for you, pretty much as well. They can take care of everything. You just have to connect your WordPress website to that particular company, and they will take care of everything. So there are such companies such as Printful, for example, and Printful is a company that can actually help you connect your store, your Shopify store, or your WordPress WooCommerce store to Printful. You just have to put your design on your store, which is a bit different than creating products on Redbubble or other platforms. But they also will take care of everything for you. You just have to care about the designs and adding the designs to your store. But then you'll have to care about your own marketing because you're not selling these products on a platform. You're actually selling them on your own store. So you have to run ads and all of the above. Now here, as you can see, we have a example of some designs here. These are kid designs that you can also, so you can go also niche down and create kid designs. Now, as you can see right here, we have other variations of print-on-demand products that you can create or designs. We call them patterns. Patterns do really well for leggings. They do really well for sleeve shirts. They do really well, especially for phone cases and tablet cases. And as you can see, we got an example over there of a particular phone case right here. And we have another example of a pattern right here as well. This is also another pattern of some birds, and you can see how they look like on a phone case. They look pretty interesting. It's a tropical design, and all of that designed by AI. And then you can also create embroidery designs. So if you're interested in embroidery, then you can also start creating some embroidery designs that go on top of embroidery as well. So there are machines literally that can actually put this embroidery to life. In textile, there are machines that can do that. Monetization, if you're interested to know about monetization, like I said, there's two ways. You can either put your designs on top of well-known platforms such as Redbubble, which basically they will take care of your delivery. They will take care of everything, refunds. They will give you a free platform where you can put your designs for free, and they will basically take a commission every time you make some money. And basically they have millions of, I think it's maybe 40 or 50 million visitors every month. So they have a lot of traffic. A lot of people come to Redbubble to buy t-shirt designs, So people that are t-shirt design fans, or they want to buy a phone case design, they want to buy a pillow with a specific design, they want to buy a specific legging or a hoodie, they come to Redbubble and they buy these designs, even stickers and so on and so forth. And so you can design the very design that goes on top of those designs. And all you need to do is you can use Redbubble to accomplish this goal. There are other platforms where you can only sell the design. So you can either sell the design accompanied with a platform that puts the design on a garment and then sells it as a finished product, and then you make a commission. Or you can just sell the design by itself without anything else. Just sell the design without selling it on a particular platform. You can put the design on Creative Fabrica. It's a marketplace for designs. People come over here to get designs from all around the world, and basically they just they will buy your design and they'll probably use it for their store because they might be interested in the way you designed it. And this is another alternative. Etsy as well is pretty much similar to Creative Fabrica. Only with Etsy, you can also do the same thing that you can do on Redbubble. So you can basically connect your store to Printful, and you can start shipping t-shirts, right, using Etsy. And then we have other alternatives as well, which is Canva. You can use Canva Marketplace. It's pretty much like Creative Fabrica's Marketplace. They also have a marketplace where you can sell your own designs. You can put them there, and you can put them as pro elements. And as long as people use your designs and pay for the pro Canva plan, you get to make a commission every time someone uses your pro design. And like I said, another alternative is to create your own separate store using WooCommerce and basically WooCommerce and Shopify. You can host your store on WooCommerce or Shopify. It depends on you. Quite frankly, Shopify is going to be a much better because it's more easier, simpler to do, faster to load, doesn't need that much plugins. And you can connect your Shopify store to Printful, and next thing you know, you can actually start generating some money from that as well. You just have to take care of the marketing, driving some traffic. Your designs must be spot on. Or you can go and freelance on Fiverr. So here I am on Fiverr.com, and let me show you actually here for the most part. If I go and just run a keyword research of t-shirt, for example, if I do t-shirt, notice what's going to happen right now is that it's going to find out some t-shirt designs for us, or some t-shirt designers. These are freelancers they're selling their designs on Fiverr. And as you can see right here, these are the designs. And some people are charging as much as $75 for designs. For example, if I check this profile, and this person is doing extremely well, right? You know, they're doing extremely well, designing a lot of designs and selling them. They're basically making a lot of money every day creating these particular t-shirt designs. And you can see here their minimum order is one design for about $75. For the standard plan, I believe that $100 for another one design, and then two designs are for $160. That's a lot of money that you're going to spend per design. These are quality designers, so they'll basically create a top-notch quality design. But I can really show you in this course, if you stick around, that you don't really need to be super smart to create top quality designs with AI, because you can actually use AI to create even much better designs than these. So stay tuned, for I'll see you in the next video.